It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am late. I actually have a full-blown head cold. I'm like, what the heck? I kind of saw it coming. I'm like, I'm going to get sick this year. I know I am. I haven't had a cold in a really long time. My husband got me a tea. But I'm like, I'm going on today. I actually brushed my hair, I put my makeup on, and we're going to be talking about some Bath & Body Works. So, 60% off sale today for fall. This is a new thing for Bath & Body Works, and it's a pretty good deal, especially if you have a 20% off coupon, which you should be able to use. So I got my calculator here. We're going to do some math in a minute. So, last call for fall. I did the video yesterday and it still stands. It's kind of last call for some summer stuff too, like Endless Sea. You can get the Endless Sea candle for $11.98 if you want that. Then if you have the 20% off, minus 20%, $9.58. That's like less than Candle Day. We're gonna go through the list. Wild Sand, the Hero, the candles. Oh my gosh. So $10.78 for yuzu and white pineapple. So $10.78 minus 20%. If you happen to have a coupon, that's going to take you down to like $8.62. This is a phenomenal deal. What else do we have here? Any of the fall body care, your sweet whiskey, load up on. Now, you know where you're going to get the good deal? Yesterday we had the best deal ever on the mist, of course, because if you had a coupon, it went down to like $3.96. Still without the coupon, it was good. But the body lotion right now for Sweet Whiskey is $5.98, minus 20% if you have a coupon, $4.78. Great deal. Wallflower plugins, the refills, looking at freshly brewed coffee, $3.18. So your Sunrise Woods, there's a lot of the actual fall plugins, which you can use for the next like October, November. The Diamond Shimmer Mist in the Sunrise Woods is $6.78. That's a good deal. Oh my gosh, there's a bow tie bear with glasses. That is only $5.98 for the plug-in. I'm like, I totally think I might want that. $5.98 minus 20%, $4.78 if you have a coupon. The car fragrance holders, really pretty one called the Tiny Flower Burst, $4.78. Oh my gosh, if you just want a car fragrance holder and you don't want to pay a lot of money, that's the deal. The Fall Glass House, originally $34.95, $13.98 today. These are some good deals. Shower gels are $5.98. Let's see, what else do we have here? There's actually almost 300 items today in the fall sale. Okay, what else do we have for fall? Oh, Chasing Fireflies. We have hand soap is $3.58. Oh, the mushroom, the stoneware mushroom is $7.98. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, the squirrel. Oh my goodness, you guys, where'd my squirrel go? I think I put my squirrel away because I'm doing all Halloween now. I can find my squirrel. I think it might be out in my dining room. Oh my gosh, the squirrel is $13.98. Is that less than 60%? I don't know, maybe not. $34.95 minus 60%. No, that's 60%. Why, that's a good deal. Then if you have a coupon, minus 20%, you can $11. You can have like a whole squirrel family. This is a phenomenal deal. Let's see, the Fox pocket back holder, salt body scrub. My voice sounds worse than it is, by the way. I'm in no pain. That's a good thing. Let's go on to page 3. Let's see here. Oh, the Black Pumpkin Truck Wallflower. You know what? These prices are really good for, fall because it's only October 9th. The Pumpkin Gourd Duo. Pumpkin Pecan Waffles in the travel size. Oh my goodness, you guys. I kept thinking that was sold out. $3.58. Oh my gosh. Great deal. If you're wanting pumpkin pecan waffles, also the lip gloss is $3.58. I would get that today. Your leaves, your Halloween is included. Halloween shower gel is $5.40. Now's the time to stock up on leaves. Thankfully, I can smell. I can't talk. My eyes are a little watery, but I can smell pretty good. Go figure. Anyway, this is a really good deal. Single wick candles are $6.38. I would do a little shopping if you're in the mood for fall because you know what's coming. Christmas. I actually have a Christmas video a little bit later today. So I am here. I can't talk very well. I'm a little bit like watery in my eyes, but we're going to still make the best of it. Thank you so much for bearing with me. I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.